Hi guys, let's get into it. I am just putting my hair into sections and adding raw shea butter to damp hair so that it's nice and moisturized. It's the only product besides a heat protectant that I use because you don't want your hair to be too heavy and have too much product in it. Okay guys, so I put the Shea Moisture in my hair and it's now wet. I'm keeping the hair wet because I did hear that you're supposed to make it wet, have it 50% wet for kinkier hair. What I did notice though was that when I was putting the water, then the Shea Moisture, then water again just to distribute the product, it was hard to kind of like distribute the product. I felt like it was just sticking on my hair, and my hair was actually forming curls with the Shea Moisture, which was really weird. Like it was acting like a gel. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I just hear good things about Shea Moisture. I'm not using Shea Moisture, I'm using shea butter from Nigeria, not Shea Moisture. So yeah, shea butter. I'm using the clay, the hard form, so it's kind of hard to distribute. But I'm going to divide my hair even more, and then I'm going to start blow drying my hair. Okay, so at first I didn't think this was working because my hair was very poofy while it was getting dry. However, I liked how it was detangling my hair and actually working like a brush. There was no nags, there was no destruction of my hair. It was just going smoothly through my hair, which I appreciate having kinky hair. So that was a plus. Now it's getting straighter and more smoother and even shinier, and I can see the length, and I was quite impressed. I'm sorry, but I had to do a replay because of the sleekness. Overall, I just really love how quickly my hair is blow dried. I've never ever had results like this when I blow dried it just the old-fashioned way. So having this brush blow dryer, whatever you want to call it, is the most fascinating technology for my hair ever since I got natural. I've been putting the dryer on high just so it can be faster and more sleek, but now I'm just cooling it down with the cool setting, and this honestly is the best thing. It only took me like 15 minutes to do my whole entire head of hair, and it was so fast, so efficient. I can do so many styles with it, and there's no heat damage. So honestly, 10 out of 10. This is like the best product I've purchased in 2019. Like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!